Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to uninstall Luno Wallet from iPhone. Luno is a popular cryptocurrency wallet and exchange that allows users to buy and sell, store and manage digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum directly from their mobile devices. While the app is designed to be secure and easy to use, you may want to uninstall if you're switching wallet, troubleshooting an issue, or freeing up the storage on your iPhone. In this video I'll show you how to uninstall the Luno app from your iPhone safely and correctly within some minutes. So first you need to unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen here. Over here on the home screen you need to find the Luno app icon, and once you find the Luno app, simply tap and hold until the icon menu appears over here. Select the remove app in the red font, and again it will ask delete for the confirmation. Tap on the delete here and the Luno Wallet app will now be removed from your iPhone. And this method is helpful if the app is not responding. And uninstalling the Luno app does not delete your Luno account or the crypto funds. Your assets remain safe and can be accessed anytime by logging in again on another device or often reinstalling the app. And that's it. That's how you can uninstall the Luno app from your iPhone. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.